There, you're live for now until it quits working.
Just hang on to it and point it at the bike.
Just talking, yeah. I don't care.
Right, you got
how great you are. Only 50,000 viewers will watch you.
Is this the zoom on the top? I won't mess with it. I won't mess with it.
Really good zoom too.
Oh yeah? Okay, well I will mess with it then. Yeah, so it is. I love the old Sony stuff. Built it right.
User friendly. Hang out of this window or something. Ain't gonna work.
Push that seat forward or something?
Now pop a squat up on here or something. There you go.
Good.
That setup, that combination is so bitchin'. The Studebaker and the Chevy with the checkered flag on it. Like they drove right from the 90s.
We were admiring that on our way in.
Yeah, get the speed. I turned the squelch up, so all that does is it cuts off the static basically. So volume's all the way up. Left. All the way to the RVs. All the way, make a bigger angle. Like make it all the way over there. Can't see the screen, I hope I'm getting them. That's good. And then slow down to 20, I think 20 is the limit. Something like that.
Motorcycle 399 lights at 103.1.
103?
Slow